Ready, set, go.
Not yet. Look at Pop. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Jackson, we're not going yet.
We ready? Look at the sky. Are we ready?
Oh,
Look at the concrete.
look at Mommy.
Your bucket's still empty.
Okay, let him go. Come on, come on, come on.
All right,
Okay,
ready?
go get the eggs. You go way out there,
Way
Jeff.
out there, start out there. Go! Ah! No, hey, hey, hey. Hey!
The plants out there.
Go all the way to the plants.
There's so many out here.
All the way to the plants.
Come on, Meredith. Let's find some more. Come on. Come on. Look in there. Let's go get some more. Look out here, Meredith. There's another one. Get that one.
Here's a pretty purple one.
Get that one. Oh, put it in your bucket. Put it in your bucket. Oh, come on.
Let's go, let's get some more.
Look out there. Okay. Look out here.
What's this?
Oh, boy. Oh, put it in your bucket. Oh, there's another one. Come on. Oh, good. There's another one. All right. Looky there. Looky there, Meredith.
Look behind you.
You get the hang of it.
Pretty doggone good.
Go. Get up there. Get that one. Yeah, get your bucket.
Look behind you. Look behind you. Oh.
She's getting dirty.
Where's some more?
She knows there's candy in there.
There, where's some more?
Oh, let's get that in. Come on. Come on, let's get that one. Oh, there's another one. Oh, look at all of them. Oh, you're doing a great job. Two-handed. Ah, he's ambidextrous. Oh, look at that big yellow one. They're just everywhere. Oh. There you go. There's that purple one. Oh, okay.
You're going to trade buckets.
Let me get him another bucket.
You know where the other bucket is?
Yes.
Well, run over and get it. Trade buckets.
This is his kind of egg hunting. Oh! That one just opened.
Yeah.
Here, Jack.
Oh, I see some more.
Here, Jack.
They're everywhere.
Guinea pigs.
Oh, I know it.
Okay, come on out here. There's more out here. Let's go out here. Oh my goodness, look at all this.
She likes that big yellow one.
Yeah.
There's a big blue one.
He married it.
Yeah, she is.
Oh, you stepped on one.
She's like, yeah, whatever. It wasn't necessary.
Married it.
Yep, there's something in there.
Hey, Jackson, come over here and stand by her real quick.
Okay, here you go.
Hey, Jack, come look at this big giant tree over here.
You're gonna fall down
They probably.
Probably so. That's quite shit had on video.
I know.
Jack, you check out the other tree.
How old is Meredith now?
15. Yeah, just walk by a couple. Oh, that's a good one. She got her hand up.
Oh, Mom! Golden egg.
Oh, sparkly.
Come on, let's go.
That's hard getting up there.
There's another one right in front of you.
There along the green one. Jack, you just walked right by one.
You almost stepped on it.
She did, Migo. She's like, yeah, whatever. Just stomping on him.
Well, I tell you, it looks like as big as when we started out here. Look at all these.
Meredith, look here. Meredith, look here. Oh, I see an eggie. I see an eggie.
There's almost too many eggs. Not sure which way to go.
Oh, you saw that one. Well, that's pretty good. Stay over on this side.
There's a lot more up here, though.
He wants to get the car. Okay, I'm ready to go now.
Jack, look that car really well.
Oh!
Let's go. Let's go. Let's find some more.
Hey, Meredith! Look what Robbie found for you. Meredith!
Look, look.
See? Oh, my hair.
Hey, careful walking through Uncle Daryl's flower stage. You'll have your butt.
Yeah, he will. Meredith, over here, sweetie.
Over here. Come on.
Oh!
Up here, Meredith. Meredith. Come on up here.
She's like, are we just growing or what is it that keeps showing up? Are we done yet? That's what she was yesterday after coloring one egg. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go now. But I'm not allowed to play in the coloring.
And I spent, 3 hours on mine.
Yeah, do you take pictures of yours?
Of
yeah.
course. You won't know what it is. I sent you pictures.
Here, Meredith. Look.
Oh, I can see. All right here.
Whole gaggle of them up here.
Oh, yeah, I guess so. Yeah, supposed to be her place.
Golf ball.
Need another bucket?
I see that.
I need 3 buckets. I need 4.
Well, we probably need to put some of them in a bag then, don't we?
There's a bag. Okay.
What's going on? You got grass in your basket? I was glad that when I went down to look for the buckets, I had bought 2 pieces
Yeah.
last year. I
Yeah.
couldn't remember that I did that.
Hey, Meredith!
Just in case.
Well, she was here.
She was here.
Just, you know,
She doesn't want to do anything.
didn't know that I would have thought of that.
She just laid around and ate and pooped.
I see that fruit in the Meredith.
Come up here, Meredith.